Welcome back to Suksam channel. How are you guys? Hopefully you are fine. I am Effendi from Indonesia. Today I'm going to share to you how I make the color of my aglonema looks more beautiful, looks more colorful, and I'm sure that you need these tips if you like to make the color of your aglonema looks more stunning. So do not skip this video. Please watch until the end. Before I share to you how I make the color of my aglonema looks more beautiful, I'm going to share to you some of my aglonema collection. Start from this one. This is red stardust aglonema, as you see here in the middle side of the leaves. In the middle side of the leaves, the color is red. So this color make the leaves of this aglonema looks more beautiful. As you see here, for example, this one, the red color is more dominant. Actually, the color combinations for red stardust aglonema, there are green and also red. I'm going to show you if the green color is more dominant. For example, like this one, the green color is more dominant, and I think this lip is not beautiful enough, guys. I'm going to show to you, I'm going to share to you how I make my red stardust aglonema looks beautiful like this one. After this, I'm going to show you my second collections. The name is Aglonema Red Anjamani. In my country, the name of this variety is Red Anjamani. As you see here, the color is red. So beautiful, guys, full of red. This is one of my favorite. Actually, the basic color of red anjamani is not like this one. I'm going to show you. As you see here, the color combinations, there are green and also red, almost pink, guys. But if you like to know how I make the color of my aglonema full of red, you have to watch this video until the end. This is the third collection. The name is Mahaseti aglonema. In my country, people call this variety with Mahaseti aglonema. The characteristic is very strong, as you see here. There are wrinkles. There are wrinkles on the leaf. The wrinkles make the characteristic of this Mahaseti aglonema looks more beautiful, and the leaves is thick, guys. The leaves is thick. If you want to know how I make the color of Mahaseti aglonema leaves looks more stunning, I'm going to share to you. But I'm sure that you love this aglonema. I'm going to share to you the next collections. This is not Suksom Jaipong, and this is not Red Anjamani, but this is Red Beauty aglonema. So this is Red Beauty aglonema. People in my country, Indonesia, call this Red Beauty aglonema. There are two branches of Red Beauty aglonema. So this aglonema has got a baby. So beautiful, guys. Actually, the basic color for red beauty aglonema, the color combinations, there are green and also red. But I can make this aglonema full of red, so beautiful. And the last collection which I'm going to show to you is three color aglonema. This is three color aglonema. So people in my country call this three-color aglaonema. Why? Because there are three color combinations in this aglaonema. There are green, white, and also pink. But as you see here, just now I show you only green and also white. The first leaves, the green color is more dominant, and this aglaonema has three branches of aglaonema. There are two babies of aglaonema here. I love this variety, and I can make the three color of this aglaonema more dominant. If we give wrong treatment for this aglaonema, the green color will be more dominant. Well guys, after this I'm going to share to you the tips how I make the color of my aglaonema looks more colorful and the beautiful color looks more dominant. Here is the tips. I give all my aglaonema enough sunlight. So the aglaonema needs sunlight to make the color looks more stunning, guys. I give indirect sunlight for all my aglaonema. Do not give direct sunlight. Why? Because the sunlight can burn the leaves. The sunlight can burn the leaves if you give direct sunlight. So you have to give indirect sunlight. If you keep your aglaonema indoor, you have to bring outside and then give indirect sunlight for your aglaonema. After that, you can put back into your house. Remember, to make our aglaonema looks more stunning and the color looks more beautiful, we have to give enough sunlight. As you see here, I give sunlight, indirect sunlight for all my aglaonema. Well guys, I think that's all. Hopefully this video can be useful for you. See you in the next video.